Hey guys, Tom here. Welcome back to the Underground. Real quick, I don't want to get into a big long thing today. No cocktails today, no drinks, no tastings, no challenges or shots or competitions or anything. I just want to talk to you a little bit. And disclaimer, this is going to be a little bit of a commercial. I hope you've enjoyed everything we do here at the Underground, whether it's all those things I just mentioned or just coming and hanging with us on our lives for some good times. We appreciate you. We like having you with us and hope you can be with us for a long time to come, because we're going to be here for a long time to come. And I hope you tell all your friends and neighbors and family who like this kind of thing, maybe come check us out as well. You know, share what we do, and we'll all have a good time together. We have a lot of great things coming up, and one of the biggest things coming up for us in the near future is the 250th celebration of America. Come this summer in July 4th. As you all know, according to your history books, America was founded, became, you know, what we celebrate in 1776. I remember the 200th, the bicentennial, when I was but a pup. And it's been 50 years since then. It's hard to believe, but I'm really looking forward to it. There's a lot of great things going on around, especially in the area where I live. You have the World Cup coming. You have all the celebrations that go with the 250th birthday of America. There is the Major League All-Star Game is coming to Philadelphia. There's a lot of things going on with that. And there's going to be celebrations right here at the Grantham Pub Underground. And I hope you can be with us to celebrate. And with that, we are having a special limited edition. I hope this one's wrinkly, but we have a lot of great swag, shirts and stuff that you can get to show your inner pirate and support here at the Underground. But we have some designs to celebrate the 250th anniversary of America, and I want to give you the opportunity to get yours. So I'm going to have a discount code, which I think will be like GPU. No, what's it going to be? I'll put it in the description. So if you want to get some of those shirts, you can. And we have 4. I mean, 3 are maybe going to be limited edition. 1 is definitely goes with the patriotic theme, but that'll be around for a long time. We have our one that I like that I haven't even gotten any yet, but I'm definitely getting this one. And it is Buy American, Drink More Bourbon. You know me, I love my whiskey, I love my bourbon. And you can't have a more American spirit than bourbon. So I'm going to get that shirt. And then we have one down here called Liberty and Libation, celebrating 250 years with the Grantham Pub Underground. But not us, America, you know. And then up here we have one called Raise the Bar, Raise the Flag, America 250 years strong. And finally, right down here we have Spirit of 1776, raised to 250 proof. They're all America themed, patriotic themed. If you know, I mean, I'm not a super big, I mean, I'm a patriot, don't get me wrong. I served my country, I served my government. Well, I didn't serve my government, but I'm proud to be American and all we stand for here. And so I decided that would be a cool thing to have. So if you would like to get those, any of those designs, I don't have a lot of different shirts. It's a unisex shirt and it only comes in either white or gray. So that's something you could get and enjoy and show your Grantham pride when you are out and about celebrating America 250. I hope you get them. There'll be a discount code in the description that you can get, and that'll be great. We'll have a good time, and don't forget to come back and see us for more great stuff here at the Underground, especially for everything we're going to celebrate as America turns 250 years old. So until that time, cheers to you guys, cheers to America, cheers to 250, and I'll see you real soon. Remember, I'll save a seat at the bar for you. Cheers.